Welcome to today's podcast, where we're diving into the future of farming. Think about the challenges: a growing global population needing food, shrinking resources, and the need to protect our environment. How can agriculture keep up? The answer increasingly lies in technology, specifically something called precision agriculture, or smart farming. So, what exactly is precision agriculture? At its heart, it's about doing the right thing, in the right place, at the right time. Instead of treating a whole field the same way, farmers use technology to understand and manage small variations within that field. This means optimizing things like fertilizer and water use, getting more out of the land while using fewer resources. It's a shift from farming based mainly on tradition and experience to farming driven by data and precise action. Three key technologies are making this revolution possible: robotics, artificial intelligence, and advanced sensors. Let's start with the robots. Automation is taking over tasks that are repetitive, physically demanding, or require extreme precision. We're seeing autonomous tractors guided by GPS that can work day and night, plowing, planting, or spraying with incredible accuracy. Drones are becoming invaluable eyes in the sky, quickly mapping fields, spotting problems like pests or nutrient deficiencies, and even performing targeted spraying. For delicate crops like fruits, robotic harvesters use computer vision to gently pick only the ripe ones, reducing waste. There are even small weeding robots that patrol crop rows, removing weeds mechanically or with tiny, targeted herbicide doses, dramatically cutting down on chemical use. But robots need brains, and that's where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. AI algorithms take the massive amounts of data collected from the field and turn it into smart decisions. Think predictive analytics. AI can look at past weather, current sensor readings, and historical yield data to predict future yields, forecast pest outbreaks, or tell the farmer the optimal time to plant or harvest. It acts as a decision support system, giving farmers data-backed recommendations for managing resources. Computer vision, powered by AI, allows drones and robots to see, identifying diseases, assessing fruit ripeness, or telling weeds apart from crops. All this data often flows into integrated farm management software, giving farmers a complete picture of their operation. None of this works without the data, and that's the job of sensors, the eyes and ears on the farm. Soil sensors placed directly in the ground measure moisture, nutrient levels, and pH, allowing for variable application of water and fertilizer exactly where needed. On-farm weather stations provide hyperlocal data crucial for irrigation and disease prediction. Remote sensing, using satellites or drones with special cameras, can reveal hidden crop stress or soil variations across huge areas. Yield monitors on harvesters create detailed maps showing which parts of the field are most productive. There's even emerging tech like plant wearables, tiny sensors attached directly to plants to monitor their internal water pressure. The real magic happens when these technologies work together seamlessly. Imagine this: soil sensors detect a dry patch in one corner of a field. The AI system analyzes this, considers the weather forecast, and the type of crop growing there. It then instructs an automated irrigation system to deliver just the right amount of water, only to that specific dry zone. Afterwards, a drone might fly over to monitor how the crop responds, feeding that new data back into the system so it learns and gets even smarter over time. The benefits are clear: increased efficiency and potentially higher yields because inputs are optimized and problems are caught early. Significant resource conservation, less wasted water, fertilizer, and pesticides, which is good for the farmer's bottom line and the environment. This leads to more sustainable farming practices. Plus, automation takes away some of the most strenuous physical labor. Of course, there are challenges. The initial cost of technology, getting good internet connectivity in rural areas, and managing all the data. But the direction is undeniable. Precision agriculture, powered by robotics, AI, and sensors, is transforming how we grow food, paving the way for a more sustainable and productive future capable of feeding our world. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.